Sunday the 15th, headed off to Fremantle on my e-bike for a bicycle ride and have a look at the container terminal at Fremantle Port. Very nice day for it, and interesting video of the actual size of the container setup they've got down there. The Port Beach is a beach where locals during summer come down and sunbathe and go for a swim. It's quite a nice little beach. This port is busy 24/7 by the look of it. Sunday today, and it's very active. The harbour itself is the entrance of the Swan River into the Indian Ocean, and the port was designed at the turn of the last century by C.Y. O'Connor, who built the actual port itself. As seen with this video, there's many thousands of containers at the container terminal, and unfortunately West Australia relies on road trains to move many of these containers to the more remote rural areas of Western Australia itself. West Australia just doesn't have a very effective rail system, which would be good for the country itself. Rail is the only means of effective transporting this sort of material. The large containers on road trains, they cause traffic accidents with the general public motorists. They chop up all our roads, which continually need more maintenance that they shouldn't need without these heavy vehicles traversing up and down them. And unfortunately, governments just don't see the foresight of an effective rail system for West Australia, which would open up to many of our more remote areas and allow businesses and industry and others activities to flourish and increase the wealth of the West Australian state itself and along with the country. To remove the containers from the container terminal, there are both trains and semi-trailers that move the containers to distribution points, and the semi-trailer road trains generally are the main source of movement throughout West Australia. There is very, very limited rail in West Australia, and this unfortunately causes many problems and an inefficient sort of means of distribution. We really need a rail system throughout West Australia, which does cover the whole of West Australia, to help move all this material and infrastructure. It'd be far more effective than relying on these road trains, which clog up the roads and cause all sorts of problems. Yeah, it was a nice ride to get down to Fremantle from Scarborough. It was probably about a 28 kilometre ride there and back. and a little bit of exercise on a nice Sunday.